Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Shamsi here. Thanks for tuning in once again. And this week we're going to be talking about a cheeky throwback. Yes, it's right, title's right, the thumbnail's right. My Clio 197. What happened to it? Where is it? Is it trashed? Like, is it scrapped? Like, alright, cool, let me explain everything. So a couple months ago I had a Clio 197 and the gearbox blew, unfortunately, and that led me to cop this Fiesta 180 that I got right now. Love the Fiesta 180, sick car, but I miss the Clio a lot more. The Clio is more raw and less. The Fiesta is safe. It's a safe car. I'm not looking for safe. I'm looking for, you know, savage. Oh my god, I'm about to die. That type of thrill, right? The Clio gave me that. Like, it kept me on my toes. And yeah, man, good times, man, good times. So a lot of people have been asking me, where's the Clio? What happened to the Clio? Like, are you still in touch with the owner? Like, what's going on? Are you gonna get a new Clio again? So we're just gonna talk about it. A couple days after the gearbox blew in my Clio, someone came and scooped up my 197 and with the intention of making it a track car. Now, obviously, I've been in touch with the owner here and there. I was so happy when he sent me the link to a YouTube video of the Clio 197 out on track. Bro, it's nuts, man. The Clio is now, it's a track car. That's what I've always wanted for my Clio, and I'm very happy that, you know, the Clio has achieved that. The gearbox in the car was replaced. He sent me photos of the gearbox. There was a hole in the gearbox, unfortunately. Hole in the gearbox. He put a new gearbox on the car, and he gave it full service, checked over the whole car, made sure the whole car was great, and yeah, he done it justice. I'm very happy that he done that. The car is healthy at the minute, so hopefully the car will see a lot more track days. Now, it's a track car, man. My Clio is finally a track car. That's what I keep saying this, man, but it's true. That's what I've always wanted for my Clio. It's a track car. I'm a bit upset that I didn't get to bring it out on track during my ownership, but I'm happy that the car is in its natural element. So I can't really complain. I am going to be getting a Clio in the future, hopefully very soon. After this car, not after this car, I'm gonna keep the Fiesta and I'm gonna get another Clio. I'm not sure what type of Clio, but I've got my eyes on the Mark 4 or the Mark 2. I'm not gonna get a Mark 3 again because I don't know. The Mark 2s are faster than the Mark 3s, probably because of the weight or how the engine was. I don't know, but it's the same engine, so I ain't got nothing much to say about that. But it's probably gonna get a Mark 2. If I see a Mark 2 up for sale, I'm gonna scoop that up. 100% facts. So yeah, man, I just wanted to give you guys a quick cheeky update. Obviously, if you like the video, drop me a local subscribe, like and comment, share it with your friends. And yeah, that's it, bruv. Anyway, it's been your boy Shamsi signing out. I got a lot of stuff to do. I'll see you guys next week Sunday. So without further ado, peace.